Welcome back to AUHSD Spotlight, your weekly source for some of the latest and greatest happenings in and around the Anaheim Union High School District. In this episode, we're shining a spotlight on Cypress Athletics Hall of Fame, open house season, and Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It was a night to remember at Cypress High School during this week as they proudly celebrated the inaugural Cypress Athletics Hall of Fame class of 2026. A historic moment honoring more than 50 years of athletic excellence, leadership, and Centurion pride. The evening recognized standout athletes, coaches, and contributors whose achievements and impact helped shape Cypress athletics across generations. Mark your calendars. AUHSD's 2026 open house season is here, with opportunities to visit our junior high and high school campuses, meet staff, and learn more about the programs that support student success. We look forward to welcoming families across our district, and be on the lookout for posts highlighting open houses across the district on our social media pages. Finally, as we approach Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we hope you enjoy this day of reflection and service as we honor Dr. King's legacy and his enduring call for dignity, justice, and opportunity for all. May it be a meaningful day with family, community, and purpose. This has been AUHSD Spotlight. Stay up to date by following us on all our socials, and we'll see you next week.